Hello everybody. Selection Sunday came and went, and let me tell you, I chopped off one of these squashes, and it looks like what's left grew back. I don't know, man, at twice the pace it was growing. Tomatoes, cut them out. I moved some what are these, peppers over here? I don't know, but look over here. That's right, we got tomatoes. The cucumber, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to be. I think this is the same dirt I had in there, but we'll see. These tomatoes still moving. Again, another squash, I chopped off half of it, and what's left grew back twice as big. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.